All right, guys, here I am back with another unboxing. I'm excited because I get to continue my series of testing and reviewing sub $100 or around $100 max. Some are slightly over. Headphones. These are from a company called One More. These are the One More SonoFlow over-ear headphones HQ51, featuring high-res audio, wireless, a 5-minute charge. They're saying will give you 10 hours of charge. I wonder if I can test that. I'm not sure, but let's not talk too much, right? Let's get into the box. The box did come shrink wrapped in plastic, but I took it off for the review because sometimes that stuff can be a pain in the neck to take off, and I didn't want to waste time on video having you watch me rip off plastic. You can feel already, it comes in a nice case, and with that comes the user manual. There's nothing else in the box. I always like to show that. There's nothing else in the box. Here's the user manual. Wonderful. We throw that aside. We get into the main event. Branding here. It's raised lettering. Feels nice. This feels nice. Front and back. Let me undo the zipper. It's one of those nicely hidden zippers. There's a rubberish tag. Carry strap. Sounds of decent quality. You get that click. Open it up. There's the main event. Nicely packaged. You can see that. You can see that it comes with the insert in the middle. That is a sort of, this protection. Obviously, that's a one-time because we sure won't keep that. That's out of here. Here's the inside of the case. Wonderful. That's out of here. And there you go with the main event and what it comes with. And these headphones are coming with less and less in terms of accessories because many are not needed, right? So here we have a very, very short USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and we have a 3.5 millimeter, it's got plastic on the audio cable. Actually, it's not, so this is interesting. Not all of them come this way. There's a right angle cable that's 3.5 millimeter, which likely goes in your devices. This is a smaller, I forgot the measurements of these really small. I think it's 2.5. So this end is not standard. Not sure I like that because that kind of makes the cable proprietary. It does, right? Standard cables are 3.5 to 3.5. You can see here it fits perfectly, and that's wonderful. But these are two different sizes. That's a 3.5. This is a 2.5. So I don't like that. The cushion feels nice and cushiony. I like the fact that it's very foldable. Let me see where these can turn. Now, interesting again, this doesn't turn this way. It only turns this way. So we can still do that and make it smaller. The headband, as you can see, extends as usual. There's the usual cushion there, nothing fantastic. On the right ear pad, there is noise canceling, plus or minus. There's a little LED button here, plus and minus, which is your volume up on your forward and backwards. The 2.5 millimeter audio port looks like built-in mic here, and the power button all the way on the other side here. And on the opposite side, all there is the mic that's built in and the USB-C charging port in red. Nice little flair with the red. The mics, the vents on the outside with the mics, the branding on the strap. Feels decently made, but remember, these are sub $100 headphones, so don't expect $1,000 quality. So I will test these out, and you can click on the link in this description of this video to get a full sense of how I felt about them by reading the full review.